right, you have to stop there. You have to we close the gaps from the front, we don't close them from behind. Let everyone get up here, we're going to check cinches up here. Alright. Alright. Check cinches. Good girl. Hey, handsome. Hey, handsome. You're pretty loose. You've slipped back a little. You want to jump down and bring that all forward? It'd be my suggestion. Anyway. So loosen that up and bring it all forward there. See how he's kind of come back a little? Yeah, just loosen it up. You don't have to. Here, a little bit. This is a smart cinch. Your second one goes through the second thing here. So it acts like a pulley. If you use a knot, then you don't have to use the buckle and you don't have to go through there twice. And you can tell me you don't, you know, anytime you can tell me you want to do it your way. That's a crate, that's a nice saddle. You riding the crates too? Are you riding the crates too?
No, that one is Chinese.
Oh, okay. Crate saddles, very nice saddle. There you go.
I bought it before I bought a horse.
Yes. Yeah, crates, quartz, circle Ys, and silver royales, and the royales are all the same saddle. They fit the horse really well. There you go. Yes, sir. Oh, you hold him. Alrighty. Yeah, this fits real well. It didn't slide back at all. It's not loose. Let's jump down for a minute. I'm going to reposition that. That's sitting right on his withers. See how you can't get your finger up on there? Put your finger where mine is. Yeah. So it means the saddle's like riding like it's not pinching him. It's just resting right on there. So it kind of. You might want to do 2 pads in the future. He's got a nasty thing there. Yeah. Oh yeah, does he have a nasty cut? You should use a cutout pad on him there. Where it cuts out. No, yeah, it cuts out here. So. Alright. What's in here? Rain gear? Well, we're going to utilize that. Yeah. Not for you. Yeah. Oh, damn. Rain gear? Where? Oh, that's not that big of a deal. I thought you been over here. Yeah, that's not that big of a... No.
No, I didn't make you do anything. He's doing what he thinks he should do.
Now he should have another pad under there because it's and we want to get that off of his withers. I wish I would have checked this before we leave. We got extra pads. Yeah. Yeah, well, it's not pinching him. It's resting on his withers. Now see, I can get your finger through there? That's what you should, yeah, you should be able to get 2 fingers through there at all times, really. Because if they're not comfortable, they can't make you comfortable. I like that better. Yeah, this is a king. King. It doesn't pinch anymore, does it, huh? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, this should be the bottom part, and this should be the top part. So you can ride like that, can't you? It's like a riding martingale, kind of, like an English setup. I had that there to wedge the pad up. That's good. Yep. Now we're gonna make it tight. It doesn't hurt him there. Need a longer one of these. Yeah, so it goes through there. Yeah. Yeah, you want him long enough you can bend down, or if he stumbles it doesn't pull. So you just do, this is the end you can't access because it's closed over there. We call this the closed end, and this is the open end. So open end will go behind the closed end. And now this is the closed end, and this is open end, so open end goes behind the closed end. It's called a clove hitch. Okay? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, if you want, you can bring it in here like that. Okay? You're very welcome. Yeah, he's going to be much happier with that not sitting on his withers. Yes, sir? Yeah, we could, you might, if you want to just use one pad, you want to get a thick cutout pad like we ride on him, or like we ride on Pepperjack. It cuts out, it exposes the withers. So they should be happy. Very good. Yeah, put it on the right, on the left side too, would you? We keep that on there for, in case we, you know, if your horse runs away or something like that, we can use the lead rope. You want it long enough to, if they bend down to eat, or if they stumble, it doesn't pull the saddle forward, pinching them, making them somersault. Yeah, yeah, you're pretty good there. Nope, nope. He's saying, I can't reach the ground, Dad. And so, you just take this, do it under like that, clove hitch. Now it's long enough. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. This is his first time leading a trail ride ever. Yeah, he's a pretty good boy. He's a pretty good boy. For what, I don't know. For what, I don't know. I said he's a good boy. For what, I don't know, but he's a good boy. Like you. You're a good girl, but for what, I don't know. We all good?